In this video I will show you how you can add a database in Invantive Cloud. Don't have an Invantive Cloud account yet? Watch our video on how to make an account and get a 180-day free trial. Click on Add Database on the homepage of Invantive Cloud. Select any of the available platforms. In this example we'll choose Twinfield. Sign into Twinfield using your login name, password and organization name. Allow Invantive Cloud to access your Twinfield data by pressing Yes, Allow. Your database is now registered. If you want to use it with Bridge Online for applications such as Power BI, you'll have to add your IP address by pressing the orange Add and Save button. You can now create a database in Invantive Cloud. Check out our YouTube channel on how you can access your database from other applications such as Microsoft Power BI.